Wonder if this could be my knocking. It kind of sounds like it. That sounds a lot like my knocking. Damn it, I think Pete was right. Back a day later for round two. It's a little colder. Had one hell of a thunderstorm last night. You know, I parked this thing over here and I'm like, I smell wild garlic. You smell wild garlic? I look down, there's a bunch of wild garlic.
This is the power of a big garden!
45 seconds ago, probably. Got her loaded. And this thing's a beast. I love it. Air Mail Pilot crashed 1931. I found part of an airplane. Ha! I am barefoot. Give me time. Probably should have got to the destination before putting my camera on. I thought you were going to say, hey, there's gold. So far, I have not stepped on a thistle, but I don't want to count my luck before it hatches. Oh, it's so squishy and swampy. The ground is very wet here.
Very full of water. Yeah, it's these little fishies, little trout. See them swimming around in there. There's one down there, he's just kind of swimming around in the current. He's not very big, he's like this big.
Lots of water bugs.
If you're a frog, this would be like heaven. As long as there's no big enough trout to eat you.
Wow, this is a swamp. And look, it breaks off into different paths.
Yeah, water feed from that way and all the way that way.
This looks like really good crayfish water. I don't see the, it depends on where the rocks are, but
probably,
it's shallow, slow-moving water. This is the kind of water crayfish love to be in.
Probably more that way.
You know, I like having a four-wheel drive truck because I get to see places I never would have got to see. I had no idea this was here. Whoa, that bridge is kind of sketchy. I'm not
Looks like another truck's been driving over here.
Man, I hope I don't collapse through the damn bridge. Oh. Yeah, some of this wood's rotted. Some of it's solid. Some of it ain't.
God damn, what the fuck is this? Is this like, what, a little stepping stone?
Huh, I wonder how long ago this was put together.
Undercut? Be a bookshop.
Huh. That's how the bridge is built, huh? Wow, it's actually steel under here.
Oh my god.
What?
Native brown.
Native brown. Oh, this is moss. It's very soft and wet.
Man, there's a bunch of brown trout right under that big log. I just saw them all swim under it.
Huh. That was actually surprisingly not slippery. On a road like this, it's important to make sure you pay attention to where you're going, because you don't want to know where you could be going. Got my cap back on. Got everything cleaned out. That was kind of a nightmare. Kind of wish I had a truck that was dedicated to not have a cap now. Huh, I wonder if that's factory. That looks like something that was put in there last second.